Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Honey and today I'm going to talk about my Bitsum interview experience. Bitsum was one of my first shortlists of the season and I was pretty thrilled, excited, nervous, all things in one when I got it. I'll quickly tell you about the shortlisting procedure. So as soon as my letter of recommendation got through, within an hour I got the interview shortlist. I was very happy कि चलो ठीक है profile वगैरह के चक्कर में I got the shortlist and the interview slots had 2 days कि 21 और 22 just next days available. मैंने 21 का बुक किया और शाम को 6 बजे इंटरव्यू था. The panel was a man and a woman and they introduced themselves and I was dead when I heard about their experiences. मतलब the man had 39 years of experience in oil and petroleum industry. He was a BITS alumni and the woman was a PhD from University of California somewhere and I was कि भाई मैं क्या कर रही हूँ इनके सामने. I introduced myself. They asked me a few questions about my work. They asked me how did I manage work crisis. They told me what was my biggest challenge at work, and they asked me a little about my work is in my family business in automation sales, and I told them that I am in sales. And they asked me what is the future of EV in small towns. तो वो सब मैंने आंसर किया और उसके बाद they asked me अब they talked about my essay. तो my biggest failure I had mentioned my UPSC. तो उन्होंने पूछा how did that teach me. I told them the lessons that I had learned through my time, and then they asked me a few questions on my favorite player. They asked me questions and this was the part where I fumbled, I'll tell you. तो मैंने लिखा था कि वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट हॉबीज़ फॉलोइंग करंट अफेयर्स विच इज़ एक्चुअली वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट हॉबीज़. बट जब उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि टेल अस टू बिगेस्ट न्यूज़ ऑफ 2025 इंटरनेशनल एंड इंडियन, तो इंडियन मैंने बताई. इंडियन द फर्स्ट आई कुड थिंक वॉज ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. द सेकेंड आई थॉट वॉज तभी इंडियन वीमेन वन द फीमेल वर्ल्ड कप फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. तो मैंने कहा हाँ दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट पुट इंडियन वीमेन ऑन मार्क. एंड तो इंटरनेशनल में वेनेजुएला को यूएस ने तब अटैक जो भी सब किया था, तो आई मेंशन दैट. सेकेंडली आई गॉट कम्प्लीटली ब्लैंक. मुझे याद ही नहीं आ रहा था सेकेंड क्या बोलूँ. मैंने G7 नासा पता नहीं क्या क्या सब बोल दिया. एंड देन द पैनल सेड यू कुड ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट AI डेवलपमेंट. Yes. I apologized quickly. Yes, I'm so sorry, sir. I forgot. I completely forgot. And then I talked about AI. But they were very kind and welcoming. They accepted कि हाँ भाई भूल सकता है इंसान. They asked me about my two biggest weaknesses and two strengths. I told them communication skills is my strength and second resilience. I told them. And then when they asked about my weakness, I said कि I think I overwhelm sometimes, and then I talked about my DLR score. And then I told my second weakness is I don't think I'm at par with my tech oriented friends, and I'm learning that through different courses that I've enrolled in. And they were happy with the honesty that I am not that tech advanced, and they said ki this is a good thing that you are enrolling yourself in courses. So I think the flow was decent only. They were pretty nice, pretty welcoming, and they were hearing the answers. Because I was from a rural background, I got asked a lot of questions on the environment, on my work culture, my experience in Miranda House, because that was very different. And these were the questions I got asked. It was a very long interview. Matlab, they talked for 40 minutes. Towards the end, I asked them if they had any feedback, and the male panelist told me that I should try and visit some big industry and manufacturing unit and see how it works from the inside so that I can get a better insight on these things. And I thought that was a pretty good recommendation. The female panelist also told me to get more AI oriented courses or ये सब. But I thought I had messed up when I did not say मेरी खुद की hobby और वो सब मैंने अच्छे से नहीं किया about the news thing. But they were pretty okay about it when I apologized and everything. And towards the end, when they asked me if I had any suggestions, any questions, I asked them why does Bitsom not have rural immersion? Matlab, it has international exchange, so it should also have a rural immersion. And they were pretty intrigued by my question ki हाँ that is a good point, because I told them money makes people pompous, we show off, we become a little out of the world. So if we have rural immersion, we will give back to the community, to the society, and that will keep student grounded. And I think they really liked that perspective because I converted with some. Yes. Sorry for the overreaction, but I'm really happy. This was my first convert, and I got my acceptance on 11th March. And I'm through the roof because it's a good institution, it's a good opportunity, and I am very happy with the convert. I'm very happy. And I this was my experience. I hope you benefit from it. I hope you also learn a little bit about the college. I also told them a little more about the college, and they were very impressed by the way that I noticed so many things: the logo, the motive, the emblem, all these things. So that is a tip for you. And I hope this helps you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.